Hello, welcome back. Episode number 7. We are still on permutation. We want to cover at least all the aspects before we move on to combination. So, how many different ways can you arrange the first letters of the alphabet if we are picking A as the first letter? So, A must always be the first. So, what are the first three letters of the alphabet? We have them to be A, B, C. So, imagine you want to arrange this, whereby in all arrangement, A's will come first. So, this will be the first arrangement. The second arrangement will mean that A's will be the first. Then we have only the chances of swapping the BC. So, C, B. So, you can see there are only two ways we can do that. So what do we do in terms of permutation formula? So that means that the first position is what? Restricted. So the first position which has A is restricted. So that will multiply remaining two. Two of them are left to be arranged in two different ways. Two permutation two, meaning two letters, that two different letters are there, whereby we are picking two at a time. We are picking two at a time, two of them. So it could be BC or it could be what? CB. So this is the permutation we are going to have. So one, multiplying this will give you the same as this, as in 2 factorial, 2 here minus this 2, all factorial, giving rise to 2 factorial over 0 factorial. Don't forget, 0 factorial is going to be 1. So this becomes 2 times 1 over what? 1. That gives us only 2 ways of arrangement. So this is the only way we can arrange it. 2 ways. A, B, C, A, C, B. That's the only 2 ways. Alright, since there is a restriction on the letter A. How about we have how many 2-letter words can be formed from the word dogs without repetition of letters or repeating any of the letters? So I'm going to pick only 2. So I can have what? No restriction. So it could be D-O, O-D, O-G, G-O, S-G, S-O, S-D. These are the 2 letters. We are picking only 2 at a time. Meaning I am arranging 4 items or 4 letters, whereby I am picking 2 at a time. Meaning 4 combination 2, which is 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 all factorial, give you 4 factorial on 2 factorial, right? 4 minus 2 is 4, 2. So in this case, I still have 4 times 3 times 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. I can see 2 factorial, so I maintain this. If I expand, it will be the same as this, so they will cancel. So we are left with only 4 times what? 3, which is going to be 12 different ways. So I can have D-O, O-D. I can have D-G, G-D. I can have O-G, G-O. In that order, you have it to be 12 different ways by which those letters can be arranged. Come back to this space for more tutorial. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.